Hey, Scott Lara, president of militaryfairs.com, thecruisegenius.com, another one of the neighborhoods, Cloud 17. I don't know if it's classified as a neighborhood, but anyway, this is kind of a funny thing right here, huh? Marty, look at this. She wandered off. There's swim and tonic over there. And again, you're looking at all these different areas, all these different neighborhoods you can go to. And this ship is just absolutely huge. I mean, it's the largest cruise ship in the world. But it just depends on what you want. Do you want to hang out with the kids? Are you a couple and you just wanna, just the two of you? You know, so here's, pardon the wind. So we're up on deck 17. Here's like an infinity pool right here. This is Cloud 17. Lots of bars, lots of restaurants. Marty and I just ate at the Aquadome food venue. It was really good. I had some crepes and Marty had some macaroni and cheese, which is off the chain good. Marty loved it. So this is the lime and coconut. How you doing, buddy? Hey, let's switch shirts. I want to borrow your shirt.
You want a shirt?
Yeah, let's borrow a shirt. So here's another area right here. He's got a nice shirt. So again, here's some high tops where you can sit, have a drink, whatever. And then of course, look at all these chairs. And here's these little, Marty's wants to be in the shot. These little life jackets here for the children, so they can be safe and sound, if you will. So some chairs right here to sit, relax. Some deck chairs right here with little tables. Again, another hot tub. But again, what you gotta do is kind of figure out what you wanna do. Do you wanna kind of just the two of you? Do you wanna hang out with the kids? Do you want to go to the Aquadome and see a show? I guess we got to go to the ice skating rink. I haven't been there yet. But again, this is a 3-day sailing for media and travel agents, so they don't have everything, firing on all cylinders, but they're still doing great. So look, there's a lot of places to sit. What I always like too is the little tables right there where you can put a Coke or a snack or something. I think that's always cool. And I'm a big shade guy. Marty likes me to be in the shade, and I think it's good to be in the shade. Now, I'm gonna pivot over here. Down here, and I know, yes, I smell cigarette smoke. My wife's about to say it because I smell it too. So we're gonna go back the other way. Go back that way, honey. Yeah. So we're near the smoking area. Man, that smoke will come at you. But again, for those very few people who are left who smoke, we were walking over there on the starboard side, midship. Up here in deck 17, you can smell a cigarette smoke. So if you're looking for that, that's where it is. But again, a beautiful ship. Lots of food options, lots of entertainment options, options for kids, options for adults. Of course, a hot tub there. Find a place here to take us out. And here's an area right here too. One deck below. And I mean, getting these neighborhoods all kind of straight in your head is a little difficult because they're all over the ship. Thrill Island, Chill Island, the Aquadome. Look over there, that guy's testing that out. I saw the president of Royal Caribbean doing it the other day. You walk around that thing and then you walk to a plank, and then you just step off the plank, and hopefully that belt will hold you, and you spin around the side of the ship. Well, there's the dry slide over there. That's the dry slide. You should go down there to the dry slide. Takes you down one deck, so you have to take the stairs. You can take the stairs right there, take the dry slide. All right, let me find some shade and I'll take us out. From the Icon of the Seas, Scott Lara, President of Military Affairs, thecruisegenius.com, Icon of the Seas.